Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Talk With Me. If this is your first time here, a very warm welcome to you. And if you are one of my regular students, welcome back my dear friends. I'm very happy to see you again. This channel, Talk With Me, is specially created for non-English speakers and beginners. Here we learn English slowly, clearly, and confidently. No fear, no pressure, only learning and smiling together. So, relax, sit comfortably, take a deep breath. Yes, let's learn English together. Today's lesson is about a very interesting tense. The name of today's lesson is Future Perfect Tense. Future Perfect Tense. Sounds difficult? Don't worry, don't be scared. By the end of this lesson, you will clearly understand what is future perfect tense, how to form sentences, when to use it, and how to speak it confidently. Very simple, step by step, okay? Before we continue, let me ask you something. Did you watch our past lessons on this channel? We learned simple future tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. If you haven't watched them yet, please go and watch them after this video. They will help you understand today's lesson even better. Okay, shall we continue? Yes? Good. What is future perfect tense? Now listen carefully. I will say it slowly. Future perfect tense is used to talk about an action that will be completed before a specific time in the future. Let me repeat that again, very important. Future perfect tense talks about an action that will be completed before a time in the future. Completed, finished, done, before a future time. Got it? Maybe still confusing? No problem. Let's make it very simple. Think like this. First, the action will happen. Then, the action will finish, and we already know when it will finish. That is future perfect tense. Grammar is not scary now, right? Let's see the sentence structure. Subject plus will have plus past participle plus time. Let me repeat it again. Subject plus will have plus past participle. Will have is the key here. Now, let's see some examples. I will have finished my homework by 8 p.m. Finished, completed, done. She will have arrived by tomorrow morning. They will have built the house by next year. Very nice sentence, right? Now, let's see how do we ask questions. In order to build up questions, we have to move will to the front of the sentence. Okay? See the structure. Will plus subject plus have plus past participle question mark. Example. Will you have completed the lesson by tomorrow? Nice question. Does it make sense? When it's come to the negative form, we have to add not as follows. Just look at the structure. Subject plus will not have plus past participle. Example. I will not have finished the work by tonight. Simple, clear, easy, right? Students, keep this thing in your mind, that we often use these words with future perfect tense. By tomorrow, by next week, by 2027, by the time. Example, by the time you arrive, I will have left. Let me repeat. By the time you arrive, I will have left. Students, you all did an amazing job today. I know that learning English can feel challenging sometimes, but don't worry. You are growing, you are learning, and every single step you take is bringing you closer to speaking confidently. Every video you watch, every sentence you try, it all counts. So please don't give up. Don't compare yourself to others. You are on your own journey, and you are doing just fine. Stay with us here on Talk With Me, and I promise you'll be fluent before you even realize it. Until then, take care of yourselves, keep smiling, and see you soon. Bye-bye.